Hello guys, so we're gonna make this crème anglaise. I can't believe I never made the crème anglaise. I was going through the channel and all my video and I said, oh, it's missing the crème anglaise. And actually it's missing also a very nice, very easy chocolate moelleux cake. Super easy to make, very quick to bake. So I'm gonna do that in the next video, which we will serve with this crème anglaise. So, a liter of whole milk into the pan. I'm gonna use a whole vanilla pod. So scrape the seeds out. Ooh, this is like black gold. I'm gonna boil the milk. Let the vanilla infuse. I need a whisk. Okay, whisk. In this bowl, I have 12 egg yolk, which is 240 grams. I'm gonna add some custard sugar there. And we want 200 grams. Lovely. Mix the yolks and the sugar very well together. Until it becomes nice and pale, you know. So nicely moussey. There you go. I'm using the same whisk here. So my milk is about to boil now. I'm gonna need a marise and a thermometer, because we're gonna cook those yolks at 84 degrees for about 2-3 minutes. So 84 degrees, bring it up to 84 degrees, cook it for 3 minutes. If it goes hotter, switch off the gas, put it on back again. If it goes lower, etc, etc. Try to hold 84 degrees for 2-3 minutes. This is boiling. We're gonna pour half in our yolks. Mix it well. Get rid of the whisk now. They're still boiling a bit. Put it back in. And now very low heat. And we're gonna cook it. We got rid of the whisk because if we whisk it, it's gonna go all moussey. And we just want, you know, a flat curd. So let's use the thermometer now. And you keep stir it, corners, everywhere, at the bottom of the pan. I'm still on low heat. So now it starts thickening up. You can feel it. Right, so now we are 84. I keep hold to the 84. It's much thicker. Switch off the gas. Carry on with the heat of the pan. I went down to 77, so I started back up again. Right, to know when it's cooked, with this spatula, you do a line with your finger, and if the top line drips, that means it's not cooked yet. I see it start dripping. Let's try again. It's nearly there, but it's dripping a bit. So that means it's missing a bit of cooking. I think that's it, guys. I think we're good here. Let's do a testy test. Up. The line stays, yeah? Nice and thick. So we switch off. I'm gonna reserve it into a clean bowl. Until it cools down. So the thing with crème anglaise, if it goes over the 84, it's gonna split and like become kind of scrambled egg. So you'll have pieces. You can maybe rectify it by emulsion it with a hand blender. I've done that before, but remove the vanilla pod first. And it's okay, but you have a kind of grainy taste, you know, in the palate when you eat it. So the best is not to split it. There you go. Could make a beautiful vanilla ice cream with this. That's it. So that's gonna finish infusing with the vanilla pod, and once it's cold, we can reserve it into the fridge. Up to 3 days is good, and you can serve beautiful fondant chocolate cake, pear and almond tart, anything. It's like a beautiful vanilla sauce. That's it. This is cold now. Look, it's much thicker. You glaze very well the spoon. Beautiful. I could drink liters and liters of that. Fantastic. That's all.